Classification of Neurons Part 1. Neurons are classified as per three criteria: polarity, relative length of axons and dendrites, and shape of the cell body. According to polarity, they are pseudo-unipolar, bipolar, or multipolar. According to relative length of axons and dendrites, they are Golgi type 1 or type 2 neurons. According to shape of the cell body, they are pyramidal cells, fusiform or pyriform. Other types of neurons are stellate cells, glomerular cells, amacrine cells. According to function, sensory neurons, motor neurons and interneurons. Sensory neurons carry impulses towards CNS found in dorsal root ganglion. They are unipolar. Motor neuron carries impulses away from CNS found in ventral root ganglion. They are multipolar. Interneurons are exclusively within CNS.